Welcome back to the channel everyone, and thank you for joining me. Now in this video we'll be focusing on making the very first chain as well as the ring of 7. This is the basis of a lot of the designs that I do on this channel. So as I said, this video will focus on that because a lot of my designs follow the 7-chain ring and then we branch off from there. So I want you to learn in advance so that when we get going, you know what to do. When I just started out, when my mother was teaching me, the one thing she had shown me was the easiest way to get that first chain started. It's basically folding your thread like this, and you make a twist of the head of the thread like that. So you see how the thread is crossed right there? You put your finger right there, you're going to hold it right there, keep that secured. You can pull on the thread just to make the loop a little bit smaller. Now you're going to hold the lead thread. This is the thread that is attached to your roll. You're going to run that thread through your fingers so that the thread can easily glide through when you're using it. And then you get your needle, put it through that loop. Now what you want to do, I call this my working finger, you're going to put the needle under the lead thread, make sure the thread is under that hook, then you pull it through that loop that you're holding on to. Now you can actually let it go because what you're doing now is making your first chain. So let it go, and just pull. See that? You've just created your first chain. To make the second chain, you go under the lead, make sure the thread is under the hook, pull through that loop, and you have your second chain. You get it? Now what you're going to do is just continue, go under the lead, pull through 1, under the lead, pull through 2, and then this will become so much easier and fun to do. Continue practicing. As they say, practice makes perfect. But you know, as soon as you finish that, we're going to go ahead and make the ring of 7 chains. And this is the basis of most of the patterns that we will create on this page. So it's good that you learn this in advance. 7 chains right there, and we're ready to close our circle. So go back to the first chain, make that space for your needle. So you have two loops on your needle. Go back to the lead, and we're going to pull that thread through, complete with a slip stitch. There you go. And so every circular or square pattern, granny square or whatever, will basically, most of them will start with this circle, and then we expand from that. Go ahead and practice that, and when you become an expert, let me know, and then we'll get something started. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Walk good.